Okay, we got everything here we need to finish the inside and to finish the head. We've got it all sanded down. We got our stick in. We've got 24-inch piece of nylon string. That's going to be for our neck. We're using a 1-inch ring. We got these two little eye hooks here. One goes on the top of the mouth for our spring to attach to. The other one will go to the back of the mouth for our string. We got two of these hooks. One's already in the back of the head. The other one will go down here. And we'll put a rubber band on that to the bottom of the body. That helps hold the head on good for you. We're going to use a 1-inch hinge. That'll go on the mouth here. And we have a 3/4 inch block. That also goes on the mouth, and this is what will make your mouth open and close. And this gets screwed into the inside of the head. We have a 1/2 inch dowel, which will go back here. That's for the string to go up and over and down through the neck. We have our ears completed. We've got a 1-inch screw in there, so we're going to glue it and we'll screw it on the side of the head where it goes. And then the back of the head is all set. And a 3-inch spring. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.